In this video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer CodeIgniter site from localhost to live server. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm going to give you various methods to properly transfer your CodeIgniter site. So, first, prepare your code. Make sure that your code is fully tested and error-free. Remove any unnecessary files like Git directories or local configuration files and update the database configuration. So modify database.php file in the config directory to reflect the live server's database credentials. Update the base URL in config.php to match the server's domain name. And with all of these preparations done, you just have to choose one deployment method. So for the first one, you have FTP or SFTP. Connect to the server using an FTP client like FileZilla to connect your live server using the provided credentials. Upload all of the files and all folders of your CodeIgniter application to the design directory on the server. For the secondary method, you can use Git. So initialize the Git repository, commit all of your changes to that repository, and then push to remote repository. So push your commits to a remote repository like GitHub or Bitbucket, and then you will be able to use a deployment tool or script to pull the latest code from the remote repository on your live server. Next, you will be able to configure the server environment, so ensure that PHP is installed on the server and that the required PHP extensions are enabled, and then create a database on your live server. Import your database dump and configure your web server through Apache or Nginx to ensure that your CodeIgniter application is properly served. This involves setting up virtual hosts or using server-side scripting to handle requests. I hope I was able to help you on how to transfer CodeIgniter site from localhost to live server. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.